Toyota Bolsters Land Cruiser 250. With enhanced security and features, Toyota has upgraded its popular Land Cruiser 250 SUV in Japan, focusing on improved safety, anti-theft measures, and comfort enhancements. The updates, rolling out now for gasoline models with diesel variants following in December, address rising vehicle theft rates while refining the vehicle's appeal. Design updates. Subtle refinements to a classic look, the Land Cruiser 250's exterior remains largely unchanged, maintaining its rugged, boxy silhouette. Toyota has expanded color options, introducing neutral black as a replacement for the previous black 202 and a monotone sand finish, offering buyers more personalization choices alongside existing platinum white pearl mica and avant-garde bronze metallic shades. Notably, the distinctive round bi-beam LED headlights previously exclusive to the first edition model are now available on the VX trim. This styling cue provides a retro aesthetic, mirroring similar updates already implemented in European and US spec Land Cruisers. Inside the cabin, technology and comfort gains. The VX trim receives Toyota Teammate Advanced Drive, a suite of driver assistance technologies including traffic jam support, a driver monitoring camera, front, cross-traffic alert, lane change assist, and emergency steering assist. These additions aim to enhance safety and convenience for drivers in various conditions. Interior comfort also receives a boost with standard 8-way power adjustment and memory functions for the driver's seat, and 4-way power adjustment for the passenger seat. Addressing vehicle theft. A growing problem. Toyota has prioritized anti-theft technology in these updates, responding to the Land Cruiser's consistent presence on lists of the most stolen vehicles in Japan. New features include a smart key distance measurement system that prevents unlocking or starting the engine when the key is out of range. Additionally, the T-Connect My Start lock allows owners to remotely disable the engine start via mobile app, adding an extra layer of security. This is a crucial step. Vehicle theft has been rising in Japan, and automakers are under pressure to integrate better protection into their vehicles. Powertrain. Unchanged reliability. The Land Cruiser 250 continues to offer a naturally aspirated 2.7-liter four-cylinder engine producing 160 HP, 120 kW/100, 63 PS, and 246 Nm, 181 lb-ft of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic gearbox and a full-time 4WD system. Toyota has not announced any changes to this powertrain for the updated model. These updates represent a measured response to real-world concerns, theft and driver safety, while maintaining the Land Cruiser's core appeal as a robust, reliable SUV.